Hi guys! This is the first time I've seen a mango tree in real life! Wow, this is a mango tree! Wow, this is a mango tree! These are mango leaves. These are mango leaves. These are mango flowers. These are mango flowers. I pick a mango. I pick a mango. This mango is unripe. It's still green. Oh my God! It is so sour! Oh my God! It is so sour! In Vietnam, we love eating green mango with chili salt. So crunchy, but be careful. So crunchy, but be careful. When you cut unripe mango, it has sticky white sap. It's so hard to wash off. It's so hard to wash off. But this mango is ripe. Look at that beautiful yellow color. So sweet, so juicy. Perfect! Perfect! Oh no! This one is rotten! Yuck!